this is my project, AI Interview Training Coach. It's a web application designed to help users to practice their technical interview interactively. Users can answer role-specific questions, get real-time feedback on both content and delivery. So my intention here is to build an interview practice webpage different from others. I know there exists some other practice webpages, but they do not have a bunch of features, or some could be improved. So here I will introduce where Higgs Audio V2 helps. This is built with Higgs Audio V2. And I noticed a very attractive feature called the audio understanding feature. Unlike other platforms where what they do is just input an audio, transcribe it, and use an LLM to do the other rest of thing. But Higgs Audio is directly understanding the audio, making the evaluation on the speech ability and delivery ability more approachable. Okay, let's get started. So this is our homepage here. And we can click on practice now. And this will lead us to a selection page where you can select the roles. And for now, I will just select software engineer. And but for if you want to try it out, you can customize your role here. And your voice, we'll just select English female here. And additional notes, you can add anything here. Just telling like what the interview would look like. And here is one of our core feature, upload your resume. Here you can upload your resume here so that the interview will be your resume relevant. Like this is something like we are really like we found it really interesting and really like promising. So we'll click on start session, and it will take a few seconds. Okay. So this is our interview page.
Can you describe the process you followed to deploy back-end services using the Flask framework on AWS EC2? What challenges did you encounter?
So here is our question here, and you can hear that there is a voice generated by Higgs Audio V2. And below is our question list. We'll go step by step. And whenever we are ready, we can click on start recording. This is our camera here. Okay, I will just give us really simple demo. Okay, to deploy something on EC2, you have to have your, for example, your Flask ready, and you upload everything to your EC2 instance. And maybe you could buy the domain and try to connect it to other AWS services, and then it will work. So whenever I finish it, I will stop recording. So this is a really simple example, and I know I'm doing really bad on this. Okay, so you can see there that there's a transcript here, and we click on analysis. It will tell us some comments on your content and also your delivery. For example, on content, it says like specific technical details. That's true. And delivery, like some filler words, I know that I did that bad as well. And whenever I'm finished, you can see that this is a completion button, completion mark here. And this section, overall summary, will be present whenever you finish all the questions here. So whenever I finish this one, I will click on next question. And we will, for this demo, I will not.
In your experience developing an LLM-powered digital assistant, what specific techniques did you use to tune the model through iterative prompting?
For now, I will not do all these three because it takes quite a long time. But I will just let you know that there will be an overall summary. I could show you a screenshot here. This is a summary down here. You could see some strengths, your strengths, your weakness, your scores, and also some tips on you. And that's basically it. And on top of here, we can see sessions history where we can save our sessions. It takes a few seconds to load it. Okay, you can see that we have done 2 interview practices. One is on October 24, one 26, and one got only 4 score, one got 6. So you can see here a line chart showing that I'm progressing here. And for each of these, we can see the overall summary and also the questions here. And on top of that, there is also a performance comment where we can see that it is analyzing all our interviews and giving us some feedbacks. So for example, we can try to use the STAR methods to prepare more specific examples. That's something we can learn from. Okay, that is basically my my project. Thanks for watching.